What is going on, Screaming Ghostface collectors? Today we are reviewing the 25th anniversary robe from Funworld, and I'm going to be showing you the slight accuracies and inaccuracies and show you how you can get that fixed. So let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. So here is the robe out of the box, the mask not included. It has an age mask, which in my opinion doesn't exactly work well. As you can see, the robe itself is actually good for the most part. It's not that inaccurate, but you can definitely see the inaccuracies right away. Inaccurate example number 1, the gloves are not stitched together and you can still see skin. That's a no-go. Example number 2, the foam in the hood is basically non-existent and does not hold its shape very well, which a lot of people have definitely complained about, so that's a no-go, which is very understandable. Example number 3 is that the robe is basically too tall for me, and a lot of people can definitely trip and fall, but you can easily just cut that to the correct shape and to the correct triangles, but for the most part, it's not a bad robe. Now, here is the robe after I had fixed some of the mistakes. As you can see, mistake number 1, I sewed the gloves together, and it looks a lot better that way. The other thing I fixed was literally the fact the robe was draping down to my feet too far to the point where you can trip and fall. Thankfully, that's not hard to do, and it looks so much better now and easier to walk in. Example number 3, added some EVA foam in there, which is the same kind of foam that they used for the real robe. You can find that at your local Joann's. Look at it now, it's holding its shape better. Example number 4 is I cut the drapes to the correct shape. They're still a bit short, but not too far off. Overall, the robe is not really bad, but if you know what you're doing, you can definitely fix the mistakes yourself.